Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative of the function. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply about the quotient rule of derivative. So that means when y equals to a over b, if we do first derivative of this one, we do first derivative of a multiplied by b minus we do first derivative of b multiplied by a over b squared in here. Now we can apply in here. So we need to do first derivative of this one multiplied by this one minus we do first derivative of this one minus multiplied by this one over this one to the power of 2. So we know that first derivative of the square root of s plus a, we will have about 1 over 2 with the square root of s plus a, because first derivative of s plus a, first derivative of s, you got about number 1. First derivative of a, this is about the constant, so that's why we have number 1 on numerator. Now we do similar for this one. And we got like this. Now this one is similar, but that's it for the positive. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.